Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a Facebook profile picture that is not showing. Before getting started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So firstly, I'll give you an example. So then open up your Facebook application. As you open your Facebook application, on the home page in the top left corner you can see profile icon. Tap on it. Right over here you can see there is no profile picture. In case if you have added a profile picture and after trying for several times still the profile picture does not appear on your Facebook profile, what you can do is just simply follow the step. So first of all, go back to your home screen and then open up your Play Store application. As you open your Play Store application, right on top you can see search box, type in Facebook. On the other page you can see there is an information about Facebook application. Right in the corner in the right hand side there is open. Now instead of open, if you have update, so then you must update your Facebook application. That might be one of the reasons for creating a problem on your Facebook application. In case if the Facebook application is already updated, so what you can do is just go back to your home screen once again and then open up your phone settings. As you tap on phone settings, now tap on apps and notification. As you open your apps and notification, right on top there is recent app. Now from here tap on Facebook. On the other page there is app info, so from here tap on storage. So next what you have to do is tap on clear cache, which is right at the bottom. As you tap on clear cache, on the right hand side corner you can see clear data, so then tap on it. Once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on OK. As you have cleared your data, which means that all your information will be erased, so once again you'll have to log in again. So then go back and then open up your Facebook application. In case if you have a multiple option, then the interface might look something like this. So next select your account and then log in into your account. As you can see that I'm logged in. Now right on top in the upper left corner there is a profile icon. Tap on it. As you can see the profile picture is currently showing. Now that is how you can fix your profile picture on your Facebook application. As you can see, by following this simple step you'll be able to fix your profile picture that is not showing on your Facebook application. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.